How to start making money online, the step-by-step process. Start by looking for a niche that interests you and that you're passionate about. Do market research to find out what people are looking for in that niche and create a product or service that meets that need. The next step is to build an audience for your product or service. Use social media to find potential customers, launch campaigns to promote your product or service, and build relationships with influencers in your niche. When it comes to making money from side projects, look for multiple revenue streams. You can offer services such as consulting or marketing, monetize your content with ads, or sell products related to your niche. Just remember to keep track of your income, set goals for each month, and keep your expenses in check. And most importantly, don't be afraid to fail. Learn from your mistakes and keep trying until you find success.